Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. So this video should apply directly to 2008 to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravans. So my parents actually recently purchased this vehicle and it's got a bit of a funky smell inside, and apparently they did change the cabin air filter already. But I got this one, it's like a charcoal one, it's supposed to kill smells. So we're going to give that a try. And I just want to warn you that if you have, I believe if you have a prior to 2012 Caravan with the lesser trim, they don't have a cabin air filter. So maybe just go ahead and confirm that your van does in fact use a cabin air filter before you go ahead and buy a filter. So the filter is behind the glove box, and this is really simple. We have a little catch strap here. You just go like that to get that out. You'll have to put it back on from the other side, but you can see how that just clips into the notch there. And then you just want to push a little bit on the back of the glove box, and then you can see you can fold in the sides. Push up, pull in. You can see the whole glove box door just kind of folds down there. There's that little strap that you have to get back on when you put it back together. And here, this is where the filter is, right behind this little door right there. And then you just pull her out. Okay, and this one does look pretty fresh. It was changed quite recently by the look of it, but I'm going to go ahead and put the fresh one in. You can see there is a little bit of debris in this one. And it's not a bad idea to get up in there with the vacuum, or at least wipe it out. Okay, so we've got our new filter unwrapped here, and I just wanted to show you something important. Those airflow arrows point down. The air is sucked into your vehicle at the base of the windshield there, and then travels downward into the airbox. So that's what they mean by the direction of airflow. And then it couldn't be much simpler. You just slide that up into the box there. Of course, after I said that, it jammed up in there. It's just a tight fitting filter actually. Nothing wrong with that. And then we just got to replace the cover, which I think can go either way up, but it does have some molded letters there, so you can put those the right way up if you're OCD, and then you just clip it in there just like that. Now we just have to get the door back up and we're done. So if you get in behind the glove box here and you don't find this little panel, and it's just instead like a rounded off heater box in here with some vents across the top, that would mean that your particular Caravan isn't equipped with a cabin air filter. Some of the lower trim ones weren't apparently. So we're going to go ahead and I'll get you a better camera angle and we'll hook that back up and get that clip back up there. So you want to stretch that cable, see how that slide moves over? See that? You want to stretch that cable right out, and then you'll have lots of room to hook it. So you can hook that cable in before getting the glove box back up there, just like that. Okay guys, that's all there is to replacing the cabin air filter in your Dodge Caravan. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.